He knows more about it than us. We only usually do You know what I'm talking about, right? No, I think I know what you're talking about so far.
And I'm not crazy.
Yeah,
I kind of see it. It's a shame that there's are actually really nice. The gloss varnish is really nice. It's just
on the side.
yeah.
It's just uneven.
Yeah, but like from distance, it's shiny and it's beautiful. I want somebody to make this.
Oh, this guy's popular.
I look at this picture. How do I do this?
No, it's not. It's open.
I want to try to get an experience with the
Alright.
I want to tag on with
He looks like
I thought what you're talking about.
hey.
Alright, we gotta.
Let's take Thomas off this one. Yeah, let's take Thomas off.
I don't even know if you'll clear it.
We're gonna find out. Where am I slowing down? God, I'm grabbing the wrong controller.
You know what I just realized, Shrek? We're like friendly now.
I hate Florida.
We haven't pulled
This is Splendor. He's learning all the stuff.
What?
He's literally running stuff like every single time.
What? We guys are stuff.
It's cool to see.
I'm gonna learn murder.
I'm not trying to.
Oh, thank God. Good.
Wesley,
Good on you, brother.
Can you give this back to Splendid? Yeah, I got it. Oh wait for my the break band is